everyone. The first online program that I'm going to discuss today is called EdPuzzle. And what is EdPuzzle? So EdPuzzle, is a free online resource that had thousands of videos to watch with students. Can be used for math, science, social studies, etc. It allows you to insert questions for students to answer, and I'll show you how to do that later. Why I chose EdPuzzle. As a first-year teacher, I like not having to reinvent the wheel. My students love every time I do something where I'm not in front of the classroom, and it engages the students in math without losing the math. The math is still very much present. 2 ISTE standards that go with this website and the use of it in the classroom states develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. So the videos pause, they will ask a question, and then most of the time they will solve that question after the student puts in their answer. So it gives them immediate feedback on how they are doing. Another one says design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. And that's exactly what you're doing on EdPuzzle. They're watching a video, they are, waiting for that next question to pop up, and then they pause the video, watch and answer the question, and it really engages your students. The purpose or goal of EdPuzzle is to engage students in learning math and ensure student learning and provide immediate feedback through the video. So, when you go to edpuzzle.com, this is the website that you will see. So I already have an account, but if you hit sign up, you will be able to log in as a teacher or a student. You can sign in with your Google account. That is how all of our students do it, so I can see their progress. So from the teacher view, this is the home page. You can see that I teach at St. Patrick Catholic School in Wichita, Kansas, which is probably why we're getting some of these videos on our home page. But you can search for any content. So here I searched for functions. That is what my 8th graders just finished up learning about. So if you click on that first video here, then you can see it already has a video about function notation and functions, and it has all these questions down here. And you can go in and you can click on the questions to edit it, you can copy it, and you can assign it to your classes. I won't show you because it'll have student names and student grades and everything, but you can click on my classes and it'll have all of the assignments that you have for your students and how they did on that. So EdPuzzle is just a great resource if you ever want to assign a video to your students to watch, have it pause, have them answer a question,